Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I want to take you around a hi-fi we've just installed in this Mini Cooper S. We share lots of BMW videos but not many of these. So of course the platform is exactly the same. So that's the audio platform. So you've got the underseat subwoofers, the front 4-inch mid-range and the tweeters if it's got Harman Kardon. So this car did come to us with Harman Kardon and we've upgraded from there. So usual rules apply. We've added our System 3 Plus. So that consists of the Focal ES100K front components, so you just see the yellow mid-range sitting behind the door there, which is rather cool. And this car, because it had Harman Kardon, already had the tweeter grills, so in there we've added the Focal ES100K tweeter. The system is driven from the new Audison Forza 5.11 amplifier, so it's a fully active front end. So we've got channels for the mids, channels for the tweeters, and then we've got a mono channel for the underseat subwoofers. And in this system, the System 3 Plus, we use the Audison Prima subs. Had to think about that for a moment there. We also have something called a DRC controller. So just down here, you see this little controller, and that allows us to change the listening position from driver focus to neutral or front focus. And it also allows us to alter the level of the subwoofers. So this car had Harman Kardon. A little bit different to a BMW in that it's not optical or Ethernet, so we've managed to get a really good line level output from the factory head unit to give us really good sound quality. Even though it's analog, it's really good sound quality. So the car's just been finished. It's approximately a £3,000 upgrade. It's all on our website. Don't normally quote prices, but because things change over time, there you go. If you've got a Mini Cooper or any other Mini, you fancy a stonking hi-fi, you know where to head. This one's just about to go on a trailer and head off to Spain for its new owner. Thanks very much for watching.